Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete every other row in Google Sheets without breaking data. In this walkthrough, we'll use Google Sheets' filter feature to safely isolate alternating rows before removing them. This is a helpful method when you want to clean up a sheet without accidentally shifting data out of place. Before you begin, make sure your spreadsheet is open and that the data you want to work with is visible on the screen. Start by going to your Google Sheets file. Once you're there, select the section of data you want to edit. Highlight the text and the rows you want included in the process. This step is important because the filter will only apply to the range you've selected. If you leave something out, that part of the sheet won't be included. So take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct area. After your data is highlighted, move to the top right area of the sheet and click the filter option. Turning on the filter adds drop-down controls to your selected range, which lets you temporarily show only the rows that match a rule. This is a safer way to work with alternating rows than manually deleting them one by one. Next, open the filter menu and choose Filter by Condition. This allows you to define exactly which rows should appear based on a formula or rule, rather than filtering by specific values. From there, scroll down through the list of conditions and choose Custom Formula. The Custom Formula option gives you more control, which is exactly what you need when working with every other row. In the formula field, enter equals ISODD, open parenthesis B2 close parenthesis, then press enter. Written normally, that formula is equals ISODD, followed by B2 in parentheses. This tells Google Sheets to identify rows where the referenced value matches the odd row pattern based on that column. If your data is organized differently, make sure the cell reference matches the column you're using for the filter. The key is to apply the formula consistently to the selected range. Once the filter is applied, Google Sheets will show only the matching rows, making it much easier to review them before deletion. This gives you a chance to double check that the correct alternating rows are visible and that your data still lines up the way you expect. And that's the process for setting up the filter so you can delete every other row in Google Sheets without breaking your data. Take your time during the selection and formula steps, since those are the most important parts for getting accurate results.